Welcome back to the Car Culture TV. Today we introduce the Ferrari's latest masterpiece of the 2025 SF90. A fusion of Italian passion, futuristic tech, and mind-blowing performance, where we bring the finest machines to your screen. The SF90's design screams performance. Sleek, sculpted, and aerodynamic to the core. The sharp LED headlamps, aggressive front splitter, and flowing lines all work together to optimize downforce and cooling. Every inch of this car is crafted for speed and presence. Step inside and you're welcomed by a race-inspired cockpit wrapped in premium Alcantara and carbon fiber. The digital 16-inch curved display, F1-style steering wheel, and touch controls give you total command. Minimalistic, yet high-tech, this is where elegance meets motorsport. Under the hood, a 4.0L twin-turbo V8, paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds. This isn't just fast, it's Ferrari's plug-in hybrid hypercar redefining what's possible. From the floating rear wing to the quad exhaust layout, the SF90 is built to dominate both track and street. The transparent engine cover gives a peek at its mechanical heart, and the carbon fiber elements keep it light and agile. What sets the SF90 apart? It's Ferrari's first ever all-wheel drive plug-in hybrid supercar, with multiple driving modes including a fully electric eDrive for silent cruising. It's not just about speed, it's about versatility, tech, and future-forward luxury. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 is more than a car, it's an experience. If you're ready to see more hypercars and luxury machines, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Elevate Cars, and let us know what you'd like to see next.